that circle? Oh!
Oh, mali. Mali. Remove mo dyan. Ilagay mo dun ah. Hindi ko matanggal.
Oh. No? Is this diamond? Oh, yes. Oh, lagay mo dito yung triangle.
Triangle only.
Triangle only, square only, diamond only. Ganon. Oh, ikaw naman. Asan yung circle? Asan yung circle? Oh, saan mo ilalagay yung circle? Dito. Set mo dito.
This one.
Galing po! Good job!
Mami, tinuruan mo. Mali na naman.
Let's go with it.
Pen color naman ata yung alam niya.
I got a circle.
Up, wait. Where's the circle? Asan circle? Oh, saan? Dito.
No.
Ay, galing dyan po! Anong shape to? Anong shape? Oh, asan yung diamond? Oh, saan lalagay yung diamond? Where? Saan lalagay yung diamond? Oh, asan yung...
Mami, magagalit yan. Yung sa kanya, si Rana. Ayun. Oh.
Mamaya kakabit natin.
Oh, asan yung square?
Up! Asan? Oh, is that square?
Square na, square.
Asan square?
Oh, that
Oh, saan
area.
nilalagay?
No.